I might have just made a $40,000 mistake bidding on this bed and breakfast here out in Wales, Massachusetts. Guys, if this is stuff that you love, please do us a favor, comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'm the Flippin' Landlord Ninja, and we're two guys take on real estate.
Two guys take on real estate.
This is an auction we just won out in Wales, Massachusetts. It's a bed and breakfast here with an actual outbuilding over there. This is a fantastic deal. We were all excited at winning this at the foreclosure auction. I got a little overzealous because one thing that I did not remember to factor in, because I believed it was actually town water and sewer, it turns out it's actually septic system and well water, which is a big mistake because well system can easily cost $2,500, $3,500, as well as a septic system can cost up to $40,000+. And so this was something that we call the town. So we often call the town hall and the Board of Health, find out if it does have water and sewer town or if it's actually private. And normally do this, but this was unfortunately done at the last minute. We didn't know about this auction. We were racing here. So we quickly threw the numbers together. I did not factor that in. And so now I'm kind of worried that I might have actually made a big mistake for our company. And actually now we have to install a brand new system because talking to the neighbors, they believe that the system had failed back in 2013. So that really worries me. So what I've done is I actually went down to the Board of Health. And so I went down, there's a town hall in every town. You generally can go to the Board of Health, handles septic systems and stuff like that. If not, you talk to the building inspector. I went down there and I sat down with the lady, told her, hey, we won this auction and I'm just trying to figure out some more information about the property. Could you tell me if there's, what's the septic system? She did confirm that the system had failed back in 2013. But what she also confirmed and shared the plans with me is a brand new system. A $40,000 system was actually installed in 2014. So after it failed, the owner went and got a grant and actually got this brand new system installed, as well as a new well. So, and actually went from a shallow well to a much deeper well, which is fantastic. So now we're looking at, hey, saving my butt because I forgot to actually calculate that. So yeah, so really safe there, so really excited. So that just makes this property even better of a deal, especially because it's brand new system. So really psyched about that. The lesson I learned too is slow down. Make sure you always run all your due diligence and all your numbers. Like I always tell all of you guys, and I just didn't do that myself. All right, so always anticipate those kind of factors because you don't want to have a $40,000 bill because that could take a profit that's just profitable to negative or just breaking even. Always slow down. Make sure you do you guys due diligence. Run your numbers very carefully. Always talk to the town. Town is a treasure trove. The building inspectors, the Board of Health, they're always happy, especially to get these vacant properties back up and running. I hope this was really helpful. I hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys don't make the same mistake I made. And I'll hope to see you guys again soon. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.